Are you looking for the best projector screens? In this video we will look at some of the best projector screens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Tripod Mount Projector Screen. The tripod mount projector screen is a versatile and convenient solution for enjoying high-quality projections in various settings. This portable projector screen is designed to provide an immersive viewing experience with its impressive features and user-friendly design. With a diagonal measurement of 150 inches, this projector screen offers an expansive canvas for showcasing your favorite movies, presentations, or media content. Boasting a 160 degrees wide viewing angle, the screen ensures that your audience can comfortably enjoy the visuals from various positions, making it suitable for both small gatherings and larger audiences. The projector screen supports two popular aspect ratios, 1:1 and 16:9, catering to different content types and projector settings, including standard and widescreen formats. Constructed from natural polyester fiber, the screen material delivers sharp and bright images, enhancing the overall visual experience. This material is also designed to resist creases, maintaining the screen's quality over time. Number 2. Stand Mount Projector Screen. The stand mount projector screen is a versatile and convenient solution for enjoying high-quality audio-visual experiences in various settings. Designed with user-friendly features, this projector screen offers a seamless setup process, excellent display capabilities, and effortless portability. The stand mount projector screen boasts an 84 size and is incredibly easy to set up. Within a matter of minutes, users can have the screen ready for use. The one-piece frame features metal snaps that can be quickly pressed to secure the projector screen flatly in place. Additionally, the detachable legs can be assembled without the need for any tools, ensuring a hassle-free setup experience. This projector screen is optimized for remarkable display quality. With compatibility for both active 3D and 4K Ultra HD content, it promises sharp and vibrant images. The 16:9 cine gray aspect ratio enhances the viewing experience, and the 160-degree wide viewing angle ensures that the visuals remain clear and engaging from various vantage points. The projector screen is particularly suitable for events such as schools, weddings, and church gatherings where a high-quality display is essential. Number 3. Tripod Mount Projector Screen with Stand. The tripod mount projector screen with stand offers a convenient and impressive solution for high-quality projection needs. With its user-friendly setup, this 84 projector screen is designed to be assembled quickly and effortless. Utilizing metal snaps and a portable frame, users can easily attach the screen to the one-piece frame and secure it firmly. The detachable legs can be swiftly assembled without the need for any tools, ensuring a hassle-free experience. One of the standout features of this projector screen is its exceptional display capabilities. It supports both active 3D and 4K Ultra HD content, making it ideal for showcasing stunning visuals. The screen boasts a 16:9 aspect ratio and features a cine gray surface, which enhances image quality and provides a wide viewing angle of 160 degrees. This ensures that viewers can enjoy sharp, high-resolution images with enriched colors from various positions, creating a superior cinematic experience. The versatility of the tripod mount projector screen with stand makes it suitable for a wide range of settings. It is particularly well suited for schools, weddings, churches, and other events where clear and captivating visuals are essential. The screen's portability is a key feature, as it is crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum. This allows for easy transportation to different venues, and the included soft padded carrying bag ensures that the screen remains protected during travel. Number 4. JWSIT 120-inch. The JWSIT 120-inch projector screen is a versatile and user-friendly projection solution designed to enhance your viewing experience for various settings. With its easy setup and impressive projection capabilities, this screen is a great addition to home theaters, schools, offices, weddings, churches, and more. Setting up the JWSIT 120-inch projector screen is a breeze, taking just a few minutes to assemble. The screen features a one-piece frame with metal snaps that securely fasten the projector screen, and detachable legs that can be easily assembled without the need for any tools. This quick and hassle-free setup ensures that you can start enjoying your content without unnecessary delays. The screen's projection display quality is noteworthy, boasting a 1.1 gain, compatibility with active 3D and 4K Ultra HD content, and a decent size 16:9 aspect ratio. With a wide viewing angle of 160 degrees, the outdoor movie screen is designed to deliver sharp and high-resolution images, enriched colors, and an immersive viewing experience from various angles. Whether you're watching movies, giving presentations, or displaying content, this projector screen provides excellent visual performance. Number 5. TOWOND Tripod Mount. The TOWOND Tripod Mount is a versatile and innovative solution for your projection needs, offering a high-quality projector screen paired with a lightweight and detachable tripod. Designed with convenience and performance in mind, this projector screen provides an exceptional viewing experience for both indoor and outdoor settings. One of the standout features of the TOWOND Tripod Mount is its use of a wrinkle-free material screen. Measuring a spacious 120 inches diagonally, the screen is crafted from foldable and washable polyester milk silk material. This unique choice of material ensures that the screen remains free from unsightly wrinkles even after being folded, while also allowing for easy cleaning. The result is a consistently smooth surface that delivers high-resolution images, making it perfect for enjoying movies, presentations, or other multimedia content. The 16:9 aspect ratio and 160 degrees wide viewing angle further enhance the visual experience, ensuring that you can enjoy your favorite media from various seating positions. The included lightweight and detachable tripod adds to the TOWOND Tripod Mount's appeal. This portable projector screen is both durable and easy to handle, making it suitable for a range of environments, whether you're setting up indoors or taking it outdoors for a movie night under the stars. The tripod's stability is bolstered by grounding spikes, ropes, and a sandbag, offering a sturdy foundation even in outdoor settings.